All right, friends, let's do the next question. A firm hedges a Canadian dollar 10 lakh 10,000. So I think it is CAD payable. Let's cross check that once again. 10 lakh 10,000 CAD. Am I right? Canadian dollar 10 lakh 10,000 is payable using a call option. Correct. So now it is a call option. What they are going to use over here. This is a similar question in your study material, friends, using call option. Now, contract size is 50,000. So, friends, what happens over here is from this, I can actually find out the number of contracts. Correct? How do you find out the number of contracts? 10 lakh 10,000 divided by 50,000. So, do I get the answer as 20.2 contracts? Can I practically enter into 20.2 contracts? No. I can enter into only 20 contracts. So, that is only 10 lakh CAD will go under the call option. The balance 10,000 CAD can go for either no hedging or it can go for forward. We'll check that. Leaving a small portion unhedged. Okay. What is the value of unhedged exposure? Come on, tell me, friends, what is the value of unhedged exposure? 10,000 CAD. That is the right answer. I hope you're clear with this video, friends. Thank you so much.